Hi folks. About a year or so and says there are many others in South Korea that support diversion also. However, they must maintain their silence that they do not agree with the Comfort Women Mafia orthodoxy. Because if they express disagreement, one or two things can happen, or maybe both. They're going to get beat up, as two other professors in South Korea did when they disagreed with the Comfort Women Mafia. Or, as codified into the South Korean Constitution, Article 21, freedom of speech and expression is based, well, they claim it's protected. However, if you go further and read into it, it isn't protected. Because if your freedom of speech or expression offends somebody, you can then become legally responsible, liable, and charged. And a few people have gotten sued because they disagreed with the orthodoxy coming from the Comfort Women Mafia. So these people who disagree must keep their mouths shut. Alright? Now, this is what I have to say in reference to the Constitution in South Korea. If the people in South Korea are fine with it, I'm okay with that. If that's the way you want to run your government, then please understand you do not have a democracy. You have a want-to-be democracy. Because the essence of a true democracy is the protection of freedom of speech and freedom of expression, no matter how detestable you may find it. No matter how much you may disagree with it, you will protect that person's right to express it. But not in South Korea. You get beat up or you get charged legally. What I would suggest to the good people in South Korea, you follow Japan's example. In Japan, they protect freedom of speech. I could go to Japan and say something disparaging about the emperor, and I will not be legally charged and hopefully not beat up. I don't think I'd be beat up because they protect freedom of speech. Now remember, the emperor system in Japan goes back approximately 2,700 years. The emperor system in Japan is part of their DNA. This Comfort Woman nonsense is only about, well, 30, 40 years old. There's a group in Japan made up of Japanese who want to depose the emperor. They're not beat up or charged legally. They were protected by the police one time when I was there, when they were holding a conference. Now getting back to this young man. There are numerous hunks of junk like this throughout South Korea. And that's where they belong, in South Korea, most places. So to show that he has, how can I say, that he has no ill feelings towards the statue or those who promote that statue, he went there one evening to protect the statue. To protect the statue from bird poop, because statues, you know, birds poop on it. So he placed a paper bag over the head of the statue to protect it from bird poop. He had to go at night. He could not do it during the day because he would have been beat up or charged legally for his freedom of expression, for his freedom of speech. Alright, folks. We'll see you. God bless you. God bless America. God bless the nation you happen to be. And God bless our good friends and trusted allies in the land of the rising sun, Nihon Japan. Also, watashi wa no Nihon no tamadashi ni yasukini di imeo masho. Gee, did I butcher that one up? See ya.